Hi, hello, sir. Kevin. Guyana is in South America and we share borders with Brazil. Your name and Venezuela. Oh, thank you for joining. Thank you so much, guys, and give me thumbs up. So, let us to show you guys. We will have our try on haul later. I will upload later in my channel, but I will show you first here some of the items that I have here. So yeah, and we will have our try on haul later, guys, but I'm never show you here in my live stream because this is for videos to upload in my channel. So we will have our um, transparent here, sleepwear, look, yeah. And you will watch this, guys. You will watch this videos in my channel. I will upload later. So yeah, this is transparent. Yeah, we will have our this one. So this is pair. Yeah. So you will watch this uh, in my channel. So you make sure that you follow my channel and click the notification button bell so that you can alerted every time that I have upload and live stream, guys. So you will watch this in my vlog. So we will have a very cute look at the back. Wow, it's so nice. This is a cherry. Wow, super nice. Look. So, yeah, super nice. I like this. Look. Wow, it's very nice. Look at the front. Yeah, that's the front. There is a cute ribbon here. Yeah, and then of course we have sleepwear. So it's nice. So you will see this, you will watch this on my next videos.